Range Rover Evoque time. I'm gonna show you the noise that this timing chain is making. We're gonna fix it today. Listen to this. Yeah. Holy smoke. And for your information, this is my car. So this is the parts I'm gonna be replacing. Oil pump, timing chain, oil pump pulley, tensioner, sprockets, cam and intake. So that's the CV axle for you. So big. So this is far from easy, but I found the problem. Check it out. You see here? There is the problem. All right. You see right there? Here's our problem. There is a hole. Can you see it? And that hole is supposed to be like that. It's like a springy, and that thing flew off, damaged here, and definitely it's in the bottom of the engine. Yep, that's our problem. Now I just finished opening it up. So here we go, the timing, and here is this little piece. Can you see it? That's a little piece that was causing all the noise in this timing chain. For now, we're gonna clean it up and put a new timing chain, new pulleys and new everything, and close it up. So now we're gonna check everything is okay. Everything is in place. Let's pull the trigger. Check this out. Boom. We're good. Now we got the crankshaft position sensor and the crank pulley with the tool set up, alignment. We're gonna put these bolts on and lock it up. But now that's the final step. We just filled it up with oil, and let's see this car how it's gonna run. All right, go ahead. Like a charm, baby. It's 34 degrees outside. No more noises. Everything is working perfectly. Oh, we got a problem. We forgot to tighten these, but engine is running amazing. And now we're going for the first drive. Check engine light is on because I haven't cleared it up. But let's see. There is some noise on the brakes. Definitely something big. And that's how you fix a noise in your timing chain in a Range Rover. That's what you replace. Just a recap for you all. So what I replaced is the guides, both of them, the sprocket, intake and exhaust, tensioner, oil pump tensioner, timing chain. I had to mark it. That's my way of doing things, just in case. And that's an oil pump timing chain, and that's the crank, and that's the oil pump pulley. Yep. That's how you fix it, guys. If you have that problem, good luck. A recap. This car is an absolute nightmare to do. It's not an easy job. It took me at least 10 hours to finish this job because there's a lot of things to remove and a lot of things to put back. Make sure to have the special tool to attempt to do this job. So yeah, have a good one, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video.